great tips about how to make money online that anyone can use. Though making money online might seem impossible, it is only because of a lack of knowledge. It does not have to be overwhelming if you know what strategies are successful. The following video has more information. If you're a writer, try writing on websites such as InfoBarrel or Squidoo. These sites allow you to pick topics you like, and you get some of the incoming money. Even better, you can use Amazon affiliate opportunities on these sites to make even more. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Write ebooks and then sell them online. It's an excellent way to earn an online living while using your know-how. If you don't know where to start with an ebook, consider recipes. This video is a great place to jump from to begin turning your time on the internet into cash. There are definitely tons of options. Just choose the right ones for you. Take your time and the money will begin to roll in. Student loan.